Causes and remedies of warp defects. Causes of end breaks in warping. Slubs, nips, snarls, thick and thin places, soft yarn, oil stain yarns, crackers, bad pacing, oily slub, kitty yarn, hairiness, foreign matter, spun fly, corkscrew yarn, stitching on cone, ribbon wound cone, soft build cone, bell shaped cone, nose bulging, collapsed cone, ring shaped cone. These are 21 are there. An abnormally thick place or lump in yarn showing less twist at that place. This is known as slub. Effect. Because of this, there will be more end breaks in the warping process, more damage of the fabric appearance, shade variation in dyed fabrics. Causes. Accumulation of fly and fluff on the machine parts. Poor carding, defective rotor drafting and bad pacing. Slub rectification. Machine surfaces to be maintained clean. Rotors are properly maintained. Better fiber individualization at cards to be achieved. Optimum top rotor pressure and back choke. Settings at rotor to be maintained. Nips. Yarn containing rolled fiber mass, which can be clearly seen on blackboard at close distance, measurable on Worcester imperfection indicator. Effect. Damaged fabric appearance, shade variation in the dyed fabrics, and slubs are also due to this. Causes. Accumulated fly and fluff on the machine parts, poor carding, defective rotor and bad pacing of rotor. Rectification. Machine surfaces to be maintained clean, damaged rotor to be avoided, better fiber individualization at cards to be achieved. Snarl. Yarn with kinks twisted onto itself due to insufficient tension at twisting. Effects. Entanglement with adjacent ends causing warp breakages, damaged fabric appearance, shade variation in dyed fabrics, mixing of cottons varying widely in fiber length and use of immature cottons. Causes and rectification. Causes. Higher than normal twist in the yarn, presence of too many long thin places in the yarn. Rectification. Optimum twist to be used for the type of cotton to be processed. Drafting parameters to minimize thin places in the yarn to be adopted. Correct tension weights and slub catcher settings to be employed at winding. Thick and thin places. Measurable by Worcester imperfection indicator and observable on appearance board. Effects. Damaged fabric appearance, shade variation in dyed fabrics, mixing of different cottons, more breakage in warping. Causes and rectification. Causes. Non-uniform sliver, problem in mixing, defect rotor surface, mixing of cottons using varying widely in fiber length and use of immature cottons. Rectification. Defective rotor to be avoided. Card setting should be perfect. Wide variations in the properties of cottons used in the mixing to be avoided. Better fiber individualization at cards to be achieved. Thank you. These are some of the defects.